हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम 1000 क्वेश्चन सीरीज का कंप्यूटर क्वेश्चन सीरीज का पार्ट 2 डिस्कस करेंगे। स्टार्ट करते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन से। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस करेक्टली एक्सप्रेसेस द मीनिंग ऑफ टर्म पीसीज। तो इसका आंसर रहेगा ऑप्शन नंबर 2, पर्सनल कंप्यूटर्स वाइडली अवेलेबल टू इंडिविजुअल वर्कर with which they can access information from layer systems and increase their personal productivity. Okay, next question देखते हैं। Desktop computers, laptop computers, tablets and smartphones are different type of what? Answer है 3, microcomputers. In the context of digital computer, which of the following pair of digits is referred to as binary code? तो इसका आंसर रहेगा ऑप्शन नंबर 2, 0 and 1. A central computer that holds collection of data and programs for many PCs, workstations and other computers is a. So आंसर रहेगा ऑप्शन नंबर 4, server. First mini computer was option number 1, PDP-8. So PDP-8 was the first mini computer. Which of the following is generally costlier? So answer is 5, mainframe. So mainframe is generally costlier. The user generally applies to what to access mainframe or supercomputers? तो इसका आंसर रहेगा नोड। द यूजर जनरली अप्लाइज नोड टू एक्सेस मेन फ्रेम और सुपर कंप्यूटर। फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर ऑफ इंडिया इज, आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 2, सिद्धार्थ। सिद्धार्थ वाज द फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर ऑफ इंडिया। वेयर वाज द फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर इन इंडिया इंस्टॉल्ड? तो आंसर है 2, इंडियन स्टैटिकल इंस्टीट्यूट, कोलकाता। सो फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर इन इंडिया इंस्टॉल्ड एट इंडियन स्टैटिकल इंस्टीट्यूट, कोलकाता। फर्स्ट सुपर कंप्यूटर डेवलप्ड इन इंडिया इज, आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 1, परम। परम वाज द फर्स्ट सुपर कंप्यूटर डेवलप्ड इन इंडिया। प्रत्यूष इज फास्टेस्ट सुपर कंप्यूटर इन द वर्ल्ड। सो आंसर इज 4th. Okay, Perseus is the 4th fastest supercomputer in the world. Example of supercomputer is, तो इसका ऑप्शन होगा ऑप्शन नंबर 4, all of these. Cray 2, Cray XMP24 और Tiane 2. These all are supercomputer. Which of the following is supercomputer developed by India? So answer is option number 1, Param Yuva 2. So Param Yuva 2 is developed by India. In 1991, India's first indigenous supercomputer named what was developed by Vijay Bhatkar. So its answer is option number 3, Param 8000. So Param 8000 was the India's first indigenous supercomputer named Param 8000 or developed by Vijay Bhatkar. Who among the following is called the father of supercomputing? So answer is option number 3, Seymour Cray. India's fastest and first multi-petaflop supercomputer named Perseus was unveiled at, so option number 3, Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune. So India's fastest and first multi-petaflop supercomputer named Perseus was unveiled at Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune. Choose the odd one out. So answer रहेगा digital computer. Microcomputer, mini computer and supercomputer are same, but digital computer is different. A hybrid computer is the one having the combined properties of, तो इसका आंसर रहेगा एनालॉग एंड डिजिटल कंप्यूटर. So hybrid computer is the one having the combined properties of analog and digital computers. Computer system which does not require any storage device. So answer रहेगा option number 2, analog. Analog computer system which does not require any storage device. The word computer is most common type of computer. It is used to process information with quantities, usually using the binary number system. तो इसका आंसर रहेगा ऑप्शन नंबर 2, डिजिटल. So the digital computer is the most common type of computer. It is used to process information with quantities, usually using the binary number system. Calculator works on which type of computer? Computer's work method. So answer is 3, digital computer. Which of the following computer is mainly related to convert analog output into digital form? So answer आएगा option number 3, hybrid computer. So hybrid computer is mainly related to convert analog output into digital form. Which of the following is not the example of special purpose computer? So answer आएगा option number 2, word processor. Dash forms the backbone for building successful computer system. So what forms the backbone for building successful computer system? So answer आएगा option number 1, computer architecture. So computer architecture forms the backbone for building successful computer system. The first computer architecture was introduced in option number 1, 1970. Which circuit board is used in all electronic systems such as computer, calculators and digital system? So answer रहेगा first, architecture. The system unit क्या होती है system unit? तो इसका आंसर रहेगा option number 2. The system unit is the container that houses electronic components. Okay. Which of the following is metal or plastic case that holds all the physical parts of the computer? So answer आएगा option number 1, system unit. System unit is the metal or plastic case that holds all the physical parts of the computer. Next है, the components that process data are located in which of the following? So answer रहेगा option number 3, system unit. So the components that process data are located in which of the following? System unit. Which of the following is not responsible for the performance of the computer? So what is not responsible for the performance of the computer? Option number 1, number of keys in keyboard. Or what are the responsible for the function of the performance of the computer? So answer is format of the video graphic word, memory in the video graphics word, and the clock speed of the processor, and the number of cores available in the processor. These all are responsible for performance of the computer. A what device is any device that provides information which is sent to the CPU. So answer होगा input. So an input device is any device that provides information which is sent to the CPU. Which of the following includes as a type of input? So answer रहेगा option number 5, all of these. Data, programs, commands, user response, all are includes a type of input. Information that comes from external source and fed into computer software is called input. Okay. Input unit converts data in computer in which form? In acceptable form. So input unit converts data in computer in acceptable forms. The unit sends the processed result to the user. Which unit sends the processed results to the user? It is memory. Output unit includes. So output unit includes what? It includes all of these. So output unit includes plotter, printer and monitor. This component is required to process data into information and consists of integrated circuits. So which component it is? It is CPU. So CPU is required to process data into information and consists of integrated circuits. The central processing unit CPU in a computer consists of option number 3, control unit, arithmetic logic unit and memory unit. Which instruction is used for loading data into CPU accumulator register from memory? तो इसका आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन नंबर 1, load. Where does computer add and compare data? So इसका आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन नंबर 3, CPU. In computer, which of the following unit is responsible for the processing and also known as brain of computer? तो आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 1, CPU. CPU is responsible for processing and also known as brain of computer. The main job of a CPU is to both 1 and 3 carry out program instructions and process data and information. So main job of a CPU is to carry out program instructions and process data and information. The main purpose of time sharing techniques used in computer is to make the best use of the CPU. The CPU is made up of two smaller components. So which are these two smaller components? Answer is first ALU and CU. So the CPU is made of two smaller components, ALU and CU. The CPU comprises of control, memory and what units? Arithmetic or logic units. So the CPU comprises of control, memory and arithmetic units. What is the responsibility of the logical unit in the CPU of a computer? So answer is to compare numbers. Okay, so what is the responsibility of logical unit in the CPU of a computer? To compare numbers. Which unit of the computer helps in communication between the memory and the arithmetic logical unit? तो आंसर रहेगा ऑप्शन नंबर 4, CPU. Which part of the computer is used for calculating and comparing? आंसर रहेगा फर्स्ट ALU. तो ALU is used for calculating and comparing. Which of the following is the smallest and fastest computer imitating brain working? So आंसर रहेगा ऑप्शन नंबर 2, quantum computer. Which type of computer is used in automatic aircraft landing? So आंसर रहेगा ऑप्शन नंबर 3, स्पेशल पर्पज कंप्यूटर. ओके, आज के अपने 50 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट हुए हैं और हमारे अब तक 100 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट हो गए हैं. ये दूसरा पार्ट था, फर्स्ट पार्ट मैंने पहले अपलोड कर चुका हूँ, आप जाके देख सकते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. नेक्स्ट हम थर्ड पार्ट में मिलेंगे.